Get that dog away from me right now!
Look at that big dog running over here.
Oh no, I dropped my ice cream cone. I need to get away from here fast.
Why is that girl screaming so loudly now?
Is that big dog gonna hurt someone?
Dad, please help me! It is going to bite me! I am so scared. Please save me, Dad.
Buddy! Stop right now! Come back to me! Buddy is not stopping at all. Oh no.
I have to run away before it gets me.
Oh no, I tripped over the bench. I fell down. Somebody please help me up.
The dog is right in front of me now. Please do not hurt me. I am so scared. Someone please stop this dog right now. Emma! Hold on, honey. I am coming right now.
Sister is in big trouble. Help her, Mom.
Get away from my daughter right now, dog!
The dog jumped right beside Emma just now.
Woof. Woof. Stop right there. Watch out. Look at that bicycle speeding so fast toward her. Crash. The bike hit the bench instead of Emma. Wow, that was a very close accident today.
Everything is quiet now. Did you see that?
What just happened? Is the dog biting me?
Woof! The brave dog protected Emma from collision.
You are safe now, sweetie. Dad is here.
Oh my goodness, that dog saved you, Emma.
Buddy saw the bike and ran to protect her.
Woof! Buddy is making a gentle, quiet sound.
He saved me. But I am still scared.
That golden retriever is a real park hero.
Let us head home now and rest today.
I am still feeling very nervous after that.
Look, another dog is walking toward us now.
Dad, please hide me. I cannot do this.
Let us cross the street right away, please.
I do not want to go to the park.
Buddy is a trained rescue dog, my sweetheart.
Hello, Emma. Buddy wanted to say hi today.
Please keep him away from the front porch.
Buddy, sit down politely. Good boy, stay calm. See how well he listens to my command?
He really did sit down very quickly, didn't he?
Oh dear, these heavy bags are slipping away.
Look, Buddy is helping carry her heavy bag.
Thank you, smart dog. You are so helpful.
He is very gentle with our elderly neighbor. Oh no! My red ball went into bushes! Buddy found my ball! Thank you so much! Leo loves playing fetch with friendly Buddy today. Leo is having so much fun with him.
Dad, I know Buddy is very kind now.
What is troubling your heart today, my dear?
My heart feels scared every time I see him.
Maybe I will always be afraid of dogs.
Courage takes time, Emma. Do not lose hope.
We can take one tiny step at a time. You do not have to touch him today.
Just say hello from right where you stand. Hello, Buddy. I am Emma. Purside. Nice to meet you.
Woof! Buddy hears your sweet voice clearly now.
Wow, that was such a friendly response. Today is a new day for another step.
Here is my hand, Buddy. Smell my hand.
Buddy is sniffing softly to learn your scent.
His cold nose tickles my small hand.
Look at our brave girl taking a step. I am going to touch his fur now. Wow, his golden fur is so soft and warm.
That is silly. You are so sweet, Buddy.
Yay! Emma is not scared of Buddy anymore.
Being brave does not mean I am never scared.
It means I take one small step at a time. Buddy is truly one of my very best friends. Together, we can overcome any big fear today.